Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to change color in Picsart. Picsart offers several ways to change the color of your image, but in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way. First of all, open your Picsart application from your app drawer and then select an image you would like to edit from your home screen. Go ahead and click on the See All button at the top left and choose an image that you want to change the color from. After selecting the image that you want to change the color for, click on the Effects button at the bottom of the screen in the editing page. Inside the Effects option, go ahead and choose Colors and then select Color Replace. Go ahead and select the color in the image that you want to replace with a different one and then increase and decrease the hue for the selected area. Drag the slider right next to Replace Hue and you will be able to see that as you slide along, you will be able to replace with a different color. Go ahead and pick a color of your choice and finally, after you are happy with the result, click on the Apply button at the top right. And that's how you will be able to change the color of an image using Picsart. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.